Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're using a Verizon Fios remote and want to control your Samsung or LG TV with it, setting it up properly can make your entire viewing experience much more convenient. Instead of juggling multiple remotes, programming your Fios remote allows you to manage power, volume, and input directly from one device. Many users think this setup is complicated, but it actually follows a simple sequence. You just need to enter the correct mode and sync the remote with your TV. The important part is following the steps in the right order, so the remote can recognize your TV brand and respond correctly. In this video, I'll guide you through the exact process to program your Verizon Fios remote so it works smoothly with your Samsung or LG TV. Try these. Step 1. Turn on your Samsung or LG TV manually using the power button. Step 2. Press and hold the OK and 0 buttons together on the Fios remote until the LED light turns on. Step 3. Enter the correct TV code for your Samsung or LG model using the remote keypad. Step 4. Wait for the LED light to blink, confirming the code has been accepted. Step 5. Test the remote by pressing the volume or power button to check response. Step 6. Repeat the code entry process if the TV does not respond until it works properly.